So this is another smoking gun. Okay, this is proof that it came from a freaking lab. Watch this. Using this approach, he characterized COVID infection mediated by the SHC014 spike protein. Okay, the spike protein that they talk about, the S protein, okay, aka S protein, in primary human airway cells in vivo, and tested the efficacy of available immune therapeutics against SHC014-CoV. Okay, SHCO14-CoV. Remember that. Okay, remember that. I go look up another study, and this is what I see. Okay, not the study, but looking at this right here. Okay, a Wikipedia article that I saw this thing on. Okay, so here's the smoking gun. All right, so here it is. Read it from here. So, but first, let me define that real quick. SHC014-CoV is a SARS-like coronavirus which infects horseshoe bats. First discovered in China in 2013. Okay. So here is the smoking gun I'm telling you about. Try to understand. Okay, try to understand this. The SLSHC014 MA15 version of the virus, primarily engineered to infect mice, has been shown to differ 7%, which means it's over 5,000 nucleotides from SARS, over 5,000 nucleotide difference, okay, from SARS-CoV-2, the cause of human pandemic in 2019 and 2020. So that means it cannot come from a mouse or a rat because there's 7% difference, okay? However, more studies must be completed to source credible data, considering in 2013 a study was published accompanying data which reports over 99%. Okay, let me repeat that again, over 99% genomic sequence identities between SHC014-CoV and 3367-CoV, and 4 random human coronaviruses. So they were right in the beginning saying it came from a bat, okay, because it's right there. Over 99% genomic sequence, okay. The 3367-CoV also came from a bat. So why are you telling me it came from a freaking pangolin? Okay? So this is the smoking gun that it came from a freaking lab. It freaking leaked into the doggone market or something like that. Maybe a freaking scientist went. It's only 300 meters. They say that the Wuhan market is 300 meters away from the lab. What would you do if you're a scientist? Okay, if you're a tired scientist, you're tired as hell from your work in the lab. Are you gonna go home and cook? It is a level 4, I mean a level 3 lab or something. Are you gonna go freaking cook? 3 or 4, something like that. But if you're working in a freaking lab, in a virology lab where you're dealing with messing with viruses, what is the first thing you're just gonna freaking, you're gonna be too tired. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna be too tired at the end of the day. You're gonna go to the freaking market, you're gonna freaking smell it. Of course, you're gonna smell the freaking cooking and stuff like that. You're gonna feel hungry, and then you're gonna go eat right there because you grew up in freaking China. Cooked food and stuff like that, and they're like, "Oh, it came from the market." Of course it will, because the scientists would eat there, bruh. We're talking about China. We're not talking about the U.S. Okay, what do nurses and doctors do after they come from the hospital from a busy day? They're gonna go eat freaking McDonald's, or they're gonna freaking buy something in the restaurant or something, order something online or something like that. They're not gonna freaking cook. If you're freaking tired, You're gonna freaking buy something out. You see what I'm saying? You're gonna eat out. Common sense, people. Common freaking sense. Okay. Common freaking sense to the mask holes believing this BS thing that you know they think the virus is getting stronger. Stupid idiots. It is scientifically proven that viruses lose genetic information over time. I know this as somebody in science, bruh. Sure, they mutate, but they mutate to get weaker. Okay? They don't mutate to like, oh, this is getting stronger now. So why is Bill Gates concerned about depopulating you if viruses are getting stronger? He would be doing the opposite. He would be freaking telling you to have babies. You see what I'm saying? So, you know, they can't hide from a spiritual being, man. I'm telling you. That's it for this video. Peace out.